other two words to explain. For example, the push button here, you just to be sure that the green and the yellow are connected. The red and the ground could be also not plugged, because this is just the LED on the bottom, so it's not necessary to plug the green, the red and the black here. Just plug the green and the yellow here, and that's it's the first explanation. The second explanation is that the current plug, for example, the +5 and the black one comes from this supplier. This supplier transforms the 12 volt to 5 volts and 12 volt to 3.3. The 3.3 volt is used for the display. The 5 volt is used for the current sensor, the clear, and the pressure sensor. These two devices use 5 volts. These use 3.3 volts. Okay?